teaching, we're going to continue with the project of Jonah Chronicles. We are working in the login. Remember that we were facing some troubles with the login. The registration was working, so what I'm going to do is to go to the process of the registration, and I am going to take the fields that are here, and I'm going to create a database corresponding to it. Let's go to XAMPP. Let's start here and start here. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. Let's go to XAMPP and run as an administrator. Sorry, forgot that. Let's hit on yes. Now we start. Let's wait to see if there's an error. Start the MySQL as well. Okay, now that it is working, we can move on, for example, to the local host. And we go to PHP MyAdmin. Let's see if this doesn't close, because sometimes this closes alone. I don't know why. Let's wait. Okay, as today is Sunday, I will not do many things, but I am going to create a database, okay? Let's go to this place here. Let's go to new, and the database name was users registry, okay? Just the one that is here. I'm gonna copy and paste, just like that. It's created. Now let's it has 1, 2, 3 and 4 camps, but it has 5 because it has the ID as well. And the name of the first table is oh, that is users registry. Sorry. Actually, the database is not called like that. The database can be called, for example, Jonah Chronicles. So let's put here user registry without the S, and let's hit on create. We're gonna modify this name later, okay? Let's put this ID. Now username. It's gonna be a varchar, and this is gonna be 11. This is going to be, for example, 40. And let's put password within hash. The password within hash can be varchar, or it can be, for example, a text, just to summarize and avoid. Let's say that someone wants a password very, very complicated. We will not limitate him. Email and complete name. But I'm going to be honest to you. Having a test in the password can be can bring forth errors because text is too generic. Okay, so let's put, for example, here the password within hash 80, and the username here we're gonna put, for example, 24, and email is gonna be 38. These numbers are kind of very common, okay? And the complete name, let's say that it's gonna be 46. And that's it. Let's hit on save. And I am going to go to user registry, and I'm going to change this name of the database, okay? Let's go to operations. and let's change this name over here from user registry. Let's change it to the name of the database, Jonah Chronicles. That is the name of the database, okay? Hit on continue, and that's it. Now let's go to the code. Sorry. And in the code, I'm gonna go to the connection, and I'm going to make sure that the name is Jonah Chronicles, and you can see that it's exactly that one. Now let's go to process registry, and we can see that this is users registry. Let's put it without the S, okay? Let's make the exchange on every place that is located. Let's make it here, replace all, and that's it. Now it's just a matter of testing. Let's go to localhost Jonah Chronicles, but with the H here, and here says that Jonah Chronicles is an unknown database. Let's see. Actually, it doesn't. Oh, is that I changed the name of the table? Sorry. It's the name of the database that I wanted to change, not the name of the table, but the interface is very similar. You will see. Let's go to the server side here and see. For example, this, and let's want to change the name of this database. Here says no name of the table, no. Here says rename or give another name to the database. And then the new name is going to be Jonah Chronicles, okay? Continue. Here, okay? And as you can see now, the database name is Jonah Chronicles. And that's everything. Now let's go to localhost Jonah Chronicles. Oh, and I am missing the H here. And there you go, it's working. Now let's go to the registry, registration.php, and let's register one user. Let's say that it's gonna be Reynolds. Just like that. Reynolds.sample.com. Reynolds Manuel. And here we put a password. We register, and we can see that we got an error, and is that the table user registry doesn't exist. Let's go to the databases place to see what is the problem, because I think that is the name that I gave to it, but maybe it's missing something. Let's see. Oh, you remember that I removed the X? When I changed the name of the database, I also changed the name of the table back to with the S. Sorry for the pushing back. I didn't want to do it. Sorry. It was not my intention. Okay, now let's go to the user registry, and it is supposed to show me the new user. And here is my user. So I'm going to pause the video, and in the next video we're going to make the login, because actually the login, believe it or not, is almost complete. What I'm going to do is to show you what are the changes that we are supposed to do for it to work. For example, one of the changes that I did was that, let me show it to you. The last video, the session start was here. And I realized on one tutorial of tutorials point that the session should be after the connection, after the call of the connection, and I forgot that. But why I forgot that? The truth is that the session should be always be at the very beginning of the file in PHP, but not necessarily before the connection. And that's why I forgot it. It was not like a super error. The problem was that I forgot that it is supposed to be after the connection. So see you in the next video, in which I'm going to show you what are the little details that are missing here for this to work. Because believe it or not, for example, here is showing welcome. I don't know if you remember that we were not able, not even to see the welcome here. If you want, for example, just for you to be even more satisfied, we can place a name here, just for example, in this name variable. Let's say that it's gonna be, for example, welcome Reynold Manuel Rodriguez Ramirez. And we refresh, and you can see welcome Reynold Manuel Rodriguez Ramirez. Well, that was everything. I hope that you are super nice, and remember that Jesus Christ of Nazareth loved you much more than a string of a guitar. Bye bye. I am happy because trust me, the next video is gonna be super easy.